Okay, so essentially, so I have gone a little bit ahead of things here in terms of cleaning the corrector plate. But to bring you up to speed, what I've done is I have taken all the screws out and they've all been put into a tin over there. One of them's in a lid because it's slightly chewed away, but thanks to my friend Andy Weller, who advised I could use a different kind of thing to get at it, rather down here. I only did that to pull that out, the star shaped thing. Anyway, so what I've done is I've labelled the thing off on three sides. So that's going to be the top part going back, and that's left and right. And I've done that against these cork pads, which are to stand between the inner tube and the corrector plate. So the corrector plate is down. No problems really getting that out once I'd taken the screws out. Really, I've got the band over here, so I'm going to give that a good clean too before I put that back on. So far so good. It hasn't been too bad. Yeah, I'm recording. Sorry, I have to grab these opportunities when you can. So this is the inside. Mirror seems okay, but note I have got this line horizontal down. Some videos will advocate having it sitting up to prevent the corrector plate from falling back. That's not going to happen because, as you can see on this one, you have got some ridges to hold the corrector plate in. But there is going to be a bit of a gap there that I've got to be mindful of for putting this back on. So I've got the corrector plate there face down. So the mirror is face down. Now, unfortunately, with the best one in the world, that mirror is going to get some exposure to dust because I have to clean the underside of that plate. To clean it, what I have got is over there, and please don't worry, I'm not about to use the solution of Specsavers lens cleaning fluid. I'm just reusing the bottle that's been cleaned out thoroughly, and I've put a mixture of IPA and deionized water in that, which I'm probably going to clean this with. That there, as you can see, is a Singing and Dancing brand new lens cloth off of Amazon. I have bought specifically for that purpose, to take that corrector plate. Here is a bottle of Zeiss fluid. So I'm going to be using a bit of that and a bit of the other to clean the underside of that plate. So I'm cleaning it because a while ago a fly got in there. Yes, a fly. It flew in through there and knocked against the corrector plate, I think. The mirror seems okay. So really what I want to do is put this foam down now, get this cleaned up and get the assembly back together. Sorry I've gone on ahead. I'm sure you can take the screws out without any problems. But a screw, essentially what you need to do though is take the screws out, then remove that outer perimeter band, gasket if you like, and then you're left with that. So what you need to do is mark off the orientation that goes back in. And understand, if you don't do that, it's not the end of the world, but you're going to have problems with collimation after. So we want to try to get it back so we've got minimum collimation. My guess is collimation is going to happen regardless after. So for me, it's supposed to be clear tonight. I'm not holding my breath, but what I'm going to do now is clean this off. For that, as I say, I've got that there, that cleaning solution over there, and I've also got some PEC pads in here. Whole thing of new ones arrived over there, and I'm going to put some gloves on, and I've also masked up, and I've got a bandana because I sweat a lot, but I'm not saying you're going to need a bandana, but I've got a mask just so I'm not breathing back into the assembly. Okay, so that is me. That is the task I was trying to do the other day, and I'll get back to you how I get on. Cheers for now. In fact, looking down here, I'll have to dust on the inside perimeter, so that might have to be done first as well before putting the corrector plate back on. Clear out the dust and things. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Thank you.